Let the living water flow over my soul. Let the Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. All my cares and burdens unto you I roll. Oh, let the living waters flow over my soul. Let the Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. Oh, my cares and burdens unto you I roll. All my cares and the burdens unto you I roll. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, say out of my belly, say out of my belly shall flow rivers of abundance, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, out of my belly, we need your water, Lord. Healing water, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah. Rivers of living water. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of my belly, out of my belly shall flow rivers of healing, rivers of living water. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living water. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living water. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah. Out of Nigeria shall flow living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow. Flow, let it flow right here, right now. Let it